What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Husbands, are you guys running out of ideas on what to cook for your wife? Well, you're in the right track. You're in the right place because today we are making something very, very tasty, wonderful, and delicious. Stay tuned. You're in for a treat. Join me as I push myself to the limits of discovering and mastering the secrets of the kitchen and to ultimately impress the wife. Hey, what's up guys? Today we are making Kung Pao Tofu. Yes, I already know what you're thinking. And the good thing about this recipe is that it's completely vegetarian. So let's start. Here, I have a pack of soft tofu. Be aware that soft tofu is not the same as the Japanese or Korean silken tofu. Slice these according to how you prefer it. I am doing thin squares. Pat these dry using paper towel and set them aside. Now we'll move on to the knife work. Chop your garlic, dice your jalapeno, and onion. Slice your green onion thinly like there's no tomorrow. This is for garnishing. Now, here's a trick to peel ginger efficiently without losing too much meat. Use a spoon to scrape the skin. This will give you a wonderful yield. Now, slice the ginger into thin sheets and then turn it 45 degrees and slice them into julienne. Lastly, just run your knife through until you have this. Next, remove the seeds from the dried chili. Using a kitchen scissor, roughly cut them and set aside. Lastly, smash the cashew nuts using your knife. We are ready to make the sauce. Saute your onions on medium-high heat until soft and translucent. Add your dried chili. The goal is to roast the chili so it will release the flavor into the oil. You'll notice that the oil will start to change in color. Add your ginger and garlic at the same time. Finally, add your jalapeno. Saute for about a minute. Now, we'll add the rice cooking wine. Let this reduce until almost dry to get rid of the alcohol. Add your white vinegar, sugar, oyster sauce, soy sauce, hoisin sauce, sesame oil, and finally your red chili powder. Add half a cup of water and let this cook and reduce to your desired sauce consistency. Once you have the consistency on point, add your cashew nuts, stir it a little bit and set aside. Now heat up a pot of oil about 1 to 2 inches deep on medium heat. Meanwhile, I have here half a cup of egg whites. You can use whole eggs as well. Whisk in a total of 3/4 of a cup of tapioca starch or cornstarch until well combined. When the oil is up to temp, dip the tofu in the egg white mixture and gently drop them one by one to fry. Make sure to flip on the other side once it turns golden brown. Do this with the rest of the tofu. Once you're done frying the tofu, heat up your sauce for a little bit and we are ready to plate. Just pour your sauce on top of the tofu and garnish with green onion, shallot oil, and sesame seeds. Do not remove the oil that's splitting. That's where the flavor is at. And that's it. You can cook this to impress your friends, family, and especially your wife. And that is it, folks. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Please give this video a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel to get notifications on upcoming videos or recipes. Until then, see you next time.